Cangzhou Zhongtuo International Trade Company Limited was established in 2014 and has been deeply involved in the industry of roll-forming machine for 12 years. As a national high-tech manufacturer, we were engaged in processes of integrating product design, R&D production, sales, and maintenance. We focus on the metal roll-forming machines and provide customized machine solutions for roof, wall and fence light gauge steel frame, heavy-duty frame, floor decking door series, solar series, highway series cable tray, shelf rack cut to length and slitting, scaffolding plank, metal container metal embossing, metal pipe, etc. We have rich experience in roll-forming machines, trading, understanding the needs of different countries' customers. Our production process with well-equipped facilities and all-round quality control process, and our products are guaranteed by standard certificates of CE for overseas sales. As a strategic partner of Siemens, we have installed Siemens control systems on every machine, which enables our machines to achieve stronger intelligence and remote operation and maintenance. We have over 20 technological innovation patents, and we also support financial credit services to ensure that your entire purchase process is worry-free. We provide ODM, OEM, and one-stop services. You can purchase raw materials, machines, and accessories from us. Our machines have been exported to more than 170 countries, established long-term and stable cooperative relations with customers, and won the praise of customers.